In the vast, prey-scarce open ocean, predators rely on specialized search strategies to survive. The Lévy walk or Lévy flight, a pattern mixing short intensive searches with occasional long-distance movement, has emerged as the optimal strategy for finding patchy prey. This approach creates an efficient balance between local exploration and broader area coverage, minimizing energy waste while maximizing hunting success. Mathematically, Lévy flights follow a power law distribution, meaning most movements are short, but occasionally interrupted by longer relocations. This matches perfectly with how prey-like fish schools are distributed, clustered in rare patches across empty expanses. Tracking studies reveal this pattern in diverse ocean hunters. Blue sharks alternate between slow meander and sudden sprint, while albatrosses fly Lévy-like patterns over featureless seas. Even zooplankton use similar intermittent searches when food is scarce. However, Lévy flights lose their advantage when conditions change. In dense prey fields like krill swarms, baleen whales switch to tight, looping movements, a more effective Brownian search strategy. Similarly, predators with advanced senses or intelligence often bypass random searches altogether. Dolphins use echolocation and teamwork, while sharks follow chemical trails directly to food sources. The study of these patterns extends beyond biology. Engineers apply Lévy principles to improve underwater drone searches, while conservationists use them to identify critical hunting grounds. These natural strategies demonstrate how evolution optimizes even the simplest movement rules for survival in Earth's most challenging wilderness. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.